Welcome to our channel, Collins in AD. We are making something very unique out of imagination. This is the diagram of what we are making. Okay, we are using bamboo. This is me taking the measurement of the length of the lamp before cutting. Cutting with saw is not really easy, but that is the option I have. So I'm using blade to make sticks for my lampshade. After using the blade, I use sandpaper to smoothen the surface. This hole I'm creating is for the hanger that will carry the lampshade with the lamp holder. So I'm using my mini drilling machine to make the hole. This is the hanger that will carry the lampshade. This one I'm putting at the back of the main frame is for installation if you are mounting it on the wall. This plastic is for the lampshade and the lamp holder. The hole at the middle is for lamp holder. So this is me smoothing the surface of the plastic. Painting and varnishing of the plastic and the bamboo and sticks. The varnishing process, I use glue, thinner and hardener with some other chemicals for treating the bamboo against termites. After allowing the stick, the bamboo and the plastic to dry, This is our final result. This is a lamp holder we are using for the coupling. This is 8mm vintage rope, cable, and 2mm vintage rope. I bought 2 of them from AliExpress. This is me weaving the sticks using the 2mm vintage rope. This is the outcome of the weaving. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our page on Facebook. If you have any question, you can put it in the comment section. We are coupling our fitting with Edison vintage bulb. This is the final look of our bamboo fitting. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and follow our page on Facebook at Collins in AD.